Another regulation? IHM Maintenance. Here's how it's done when NautilusLog is not involved. You place an order, and in return you receive the purchase order. The hazmat expert or nominated person then manually decides if it's relevant or not. The same process is repeated for every vessel. When the relevant documents are incomplete or not responded, the supplier relationship can be a huge workload. They are then to confirm relevant ones on the pilot paper. Now that you know the process of IHM maintenance, we'll show you how NautilusLog can do it digitally. Simply click, connect, and we take care of the rest. After the order is placed into our system, the purchase orders are easily and automatically fed into our system. The NautilusLog system integrates knowledge, speeds up the process, learns and recognizes patterns, and removes potential errors. The review for relevance appears automatically and can be used for all your managed and future managed vessels. Also, the suppliers benefit from this automated process. They can access the files in an organized order through their individual landing page. Here's how you benefit. Save costs. Have automated processes. Remove paper and work from your desk. Have IHM maintenance reports available 24/7, 365 when you want to print it out. And have a clear management oversight. Start today. Use NautilusLog to digitize and atomize your business.